I'm sure you all have heard Merrill's first principles of instruction. He talks a lot about making things task centered and having learners see something and apply it immediately. So the demonstration and application is what he talks about. And if you're in virtual training, this can be a tough one, right? Like, how do you get people to always do hands-on practice live with you on something that's like nebulous or technical in it? So there's some great ways you can accomplish this. Number one is using virtual labs. I know CloudShare specializes in that. So building a demo environment for them to practice in. Or if you have demo sites or free trials of your product to use, that's another great way of doing it. Also, I love fun challenges. So if you get your participants in a demo site or an environment where they can practice with your product online with the training, have them do some fun challenges, scavenger hunts, looking for settings, try to get the coolest like color font combo, just getting them in there and playing with it helps build that early confidence as well. And so what we do is we try to, as they practice a new skill, we try to embed a new thing to do with the settings, right? Instead of dumping them all at one time. So like, hey, what I want you to do is go update this hex color for your organization. So for example, if we want to, add this orange color here for this like fake academy, we kind of model briefly and then have them go find it and do it themselves. So it's like a little mini hunt for the property. So it's like application and like finding it all at the same time. That way it's not like you're just dumping 1,000 settings at one time on the participant to learn. So, and I forgot to mention that coaching and feedback are key here. So you can demonstrate it and then have your participants on their own screens apply it, but how do you know they're doing it well or if they're making common mistakes? And so this part's crucial where if you can get someone to share their screen, if they're allowed to, and you can help walk them through an example. And also for this part, identify ahead of time common pain points or misconceptions that you want to address here. So be like, and sometimes I'll even like purposely make a mistake and like go back and fix it because I know this is like common for novices with the product here. So always give a lot of feedback